Hey everyone, want to make a quick video tutorial about how to set your alarm using the clock feature. We're going to just jump into it right away. All right, so clock, click that, and then on the bottom you'll see world clock. They put Cupertino and New York for you. Then there's also your stopwatch, and then there's timer. So say you're meditating or you have something in the oven, you go set it for whatever amount. But today we're talking about alarms. So let's go ahead and push the alarm feature. Now all we have to do is go ahead and push the plus on top. And then so say I need to wake up at 6:45 for work. I'm going to switch it to that. And then it says repeat never. I can put every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And then just go back. So this is my work schedule. And you can choose your sound. So play with, play with it and see what sound you like. And then you could also even give it a label. So I'm gonna go ahead and call it work. Okay, so now this is my work alarm. Now, say I want to, okay, go ahead, make sure you save it. So now we have this. And if for some reason, say it's a holiday, you can always turn it off. But the cool thing about, the phones, Apple, is you can set up multiple. So say Sunday, I go to church or whatever other religious institution. And let's see. So then, so say that we have to wake up at 9 a.m. Or say I wake up at 9:45 a.m., 11:30. Okay, this is just an example. And I could go back and put in, a title that says, temple or church or whatever. And then, you could put it for every Sunday, this is every weekday for work. Now, let's say we have a one-off. So then, say I have to go to dinner at my mother-in-law's house, and we have to leave at, let's say 6:30. Let's say 5:30. You know how mother-in-laws are. And that was a joke. And then so we'll go ahead and repeat never, and I'll go ahead and just save that. If it's say that day, but say, so then I'll go ahead and save that. And then this will be the next 5:30 p.m. and it's just like a reminder. So you can do a lot of different things. Say I have a cycling class, and that's every day, or Monday, Wednesday, Fridays at 7:45. Say it's at 8, and then I want to make sure that I'm there. So repeat. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Monday, Wednesday, Fridays, and then I could go back and label it. And I'll label it, let's say cycling, or let's say, oops, it's kind of hard to do it while I'm looking at the screen. Say it's yoga class. And then we could go ahead and push save. And there's a little feature that says snooze. Do I want to allow myself to snooze? Not for this. No, I don't. But then maybe for the morning ones, you do allow yourself to snooze. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So this is how to set an alarm on your iPhone. I'll go ahead and let's see. Okay, so to edit, if we want to erase, so say this one was just a one-off, and it was dinner at family member's house, and that passed already, we used it. I could go ahead, push the red button, and that's how you delete. So now we have, say, work every day, alarm, and then I could have put in every Sunday morning, and then we have yoga 3 times a week. Go ahead and play around with this. This is just an introductory video to how to use the alarm settings on your new iPhone 16. And yeah, let me know what you think. I hope this video has helped if you're new to Apple or iPhone, and appreciate any likes and comments below. All right, have a great day. Bye-bye.